Oh, clarito.
Okay guys, for today's video, mag-install tayo ng new license or permit ng ENC sa Ecdis natin na 4 via Nabtor.
Yeah. This,
Nabtor, ang USB nakasaksak sa Nabbox. Okay. Okay guys,
This step by Ecdis.
we will install new permit into Ecdis 4. The USB is always insert by here Nabbox through internet. We will take out the USB stick and then we will insert the USB stick here in the Ecdis. Now already inserted. Then we go to Ecdis. First we click chart. Then license, because we install a permit, we go to license. And then we go to import license. Double click USB. You go to info, double click, and then you go to Nabtor, double click, and then you go to permit, double click. You go to Ecdis 1, double click. You go to click permit and then open. Now you can see 8 new permits installed, 5 update. Okay. Okay guys, finish installing the new permit. We go to close. The new permit is not updated, so now we will update the new license or new permit. We go to auto import and then OK and select. Double click USB flash, one click only ANC and OK. As you can see, we have installed license cover 154 of the charts. 20 charts can be installed. Okay. Now guys, it's loading for updating ANC. Okay, we just only confirm and then finish. Okay, then we go to again auto import and OK. Select. USB plus, double click, one click info and OK. Guys, this is for AIO, Admiralty Information Overlay, so only one chart. Okay, and confirm. Finish. And then guys, to synchronize to other Ecdis, number 2, this is number 1, we go to system, sync status, Urge sync. Okay. Now you can see synchronizing to the other Ecdis. And finish. Close. How can you check the new update? We go to log, update log, PNC. You pull down all the way. Now you can see week 29. This is new update, week 29, 2024. This is our new update. It's correct. Close. And for today's video, finish for installing permit and update. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Already updated.